Bill Lear, legendary inventor, entrepreneur, founder of Learjet Business Jets, and received over 140 patents. Success quotes from legends can positively change your life. They said I'd never build it, that if I built it, it wouldn't fly, that if it flew, I couldn't sell it. Well, I did, and it did, and I could. For me, the best of life is the exercise of ingenuity. In design, in finance, in flying, in business. It's important to learn everything you can, read everything you can, and remember that your education is never going to be completed. The more knowledge you have, the greater your possibilities of enjoying life. I remember working out a blueprint for my future when I was 12. I resolved first to make enough money so I'd never be stopped from finishing anything. Second, that to accumulate money in a hurry, and I was in a hurry, I'd have to invent something that people wanted. And third, that if I ever was going to stand on my own feet, I'd have to leave home. There is just as much opportunity to succeed and be independent as there ever was in the history of time. There are two kinds of inventors. There is the inventor who just likes to be clever and come up with a new idea. And there is the inventor who realizes there is a need and tries to fill it. I've spent my whole life discovering needs and then finding ways to fulfill them. The secret to success is really hard work. It won't happen by itself. The trick is to discern a market before there is any proof that one exists. Two of something is twice as likely to go wrong as one. Keep it super simple. Be more legendary. Find out why this legend is a legend in tomorrow's Success Facts video. Like and subscribe. New videos for your success every week. SuccessfulDailyHabits.com. Learn from legends. Be legendary.